Hello everyone, let's start with a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, the most interesting concept in the module 4 of your smart grid subject, renewable energy resources and then storage. So let's move on to plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. Parallel hybrid electric vehicle will be there and then series hybrid electric vehicle will be there. Series in the sense, see here, series operation, series will be there. This is a battery and then this is the electric motor. This electric motor converts electrical to mechanical, the wheel will be rotating. And the steerings will be there, control part will be there, everything will be there inside the car. There is a reservoir and an internal combustion engine and an alternator. So there is a battery. So alternator which is used to charge the battery as well as it converts mechanical to electrical. And also see here it goes electrical supply to the motor as well as rest some amount of electricity is stored in the battery. It's a series hybrid vehicle. Okay, two sources are we are using. One is battery, one is from the internal combustion engine. Next, there is a parallel hybrid vehicle. There is a reservoir, there is an internal combustion engine. One is here there is a transmission will be there. Transmission in the sense conversion will be there. And also here there is a battery to electric motor. So electrical to battery electrical supply is the output. So input of electric supply of motor convert electrical to mechanical. This is a transmission. So a linear to rotation or rotational to a linear or rotations will be there. This is a parallel operation. This is a series operation of car. So architecture of plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. There is a battery bank. There is a charger will be there. This is a plug. So we all have seen, right, hybrid vehicles. So there is a plug, there is a charger will be there, even the same as our mobile charger. There is a controller part will be there and then it converts AC to DC, because here AC is available but we want to store a DC battery, so here we are having a charger. And then there is a fuel storage, and so lightweighting material, and there is a power electronics for controlling of this one overall car, and electric motors which converts electrical to mechanical, and then engines will be there, radiator will be there. Radiator is for to eliminate heat. This is a plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. See, both the engines will be there, motor will be there as well as engine will be there, and then batteries will be there. So that's why it's called as a two sources we are using. So we can consider this is a hybrid vehicle. So the some of the current plug-in hybrid electric vehicles in our cities, like 2013 Chevrolet and Ford car and Toyota. So now that is implemented, and then there's different types of cars are available, Kia car and then the Tesla car and then Mahindra Reva car over there in the road at present. So battery electric vehicles. So this is a battery plug-in electric hybrid vehicle. This is a battery electric vehicles. This looks like a Mahindra Reva car. This looks like a normal this one car. So only battery will be there. There is no transmission of power, or there is no engine. Only there is a battery, and then there is one induction motor, and then converter part. So battery electric vehicle, battery will be there, and then inverter, and then there is a induction motor. So then there is a normal working as a normal car. This is a difference between electric vehicles. This is a use of both an electric motors and internal combustion engine. It's a use of both electrical motor and IC engines, and the use of batteries alone to the power supply. This is a battery electric vehicle. This is plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. This is a hybrid electric vehicle. Okay. Electricity is generated in the car through the regenerative braking by the IC engine. Here, if suppose the car working based on the IC engine, while rotating, the battery will be charged, And here use of combustion combination of grid electricity and regenerative energy from the braking the power from the IC engines. See, this is hybrid vehicle. Two sources we are using here. A plug-in electric vehicle, even though grid is we are using, and this is only battery vehicle, battery powered vehicle. This is not a plug-in electric vehicle. Only one source we are using, battery and then motor. That's all. Okay. And then there is a working of electric vehicles. Conversion of internal combustion engine. This one is internal combustion engine, transmission, drive shaft, and then wheels. So plug-in electric vehicles, electric parallel power flow, internal combustion engine, clutch, and then battery, electric motors, clutch, drive shaft, and transmission, and then wheels. So this is the best example. Plug-in hybrid electric series power flow. Series power flow, internal combustion engine, electrical generator, battery, electric motor, transmission, wheels. So battery electric vehicles here, battery electric vehicle, only battery will be there, electric motor will be there, transmission, and then wheels. This is having less losses and then more efficient, and then but speed will be less. Speed will be less in this car. But in the internal combustion engine, these two are very more more advantageous at present. So again I can explain this: internal combustion engine, transmission, drive shaft. This is a black diagram, basic black diagram. So next there is advantages. Less greenhouse gases. If suppose you use electric vehicles, less greenhouse gases. There is no pollution to the environment. Less petroleum. Petroleum will be less consumption. Less air pollution. And then low noise. Electric vehicles, as you can see, while traveling, electric vehicles gives less noise compared to all other vehicles. See, all other all of us choosing a Bullet Royal Enfield bike because more attraction and then more speed, and you can see more CC will be there, but the noise will be more. But in electric vehicles there will be low noise, and then maximum efficiency of electric vehicles. Efficiency will be more in the electric vehicles because we have to charge and we have to run the bike. But petrol and diesel engines are more service